Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Conrad K. Sangma reaches Pin Ursula to declare welfare projects. St. Anthony's College invites experts to disseminate knowledge at a conference. Where is the smart city? Inquires dispersing Rani via RTI. And the presence of entry and exit point at Umling is just to divert from the ILP demand. And now the news in detail. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, on the evening of 13 December 2022, went to Pin Ursula to announce 5 projects for the constituency and the entire Rewa region as a whole. The projects announced by Conrad K. Sangma and Preston Tinsong, along with Dasakyat Lamari, includes the foundation stone to construct a mini secretariat, new office of the Sin-RD block, construction of exceptional schools in the state, the Eklavya Model Residential School, a football stadium at Wat Lingkhat and PWD Road's Pin Ursula division, along with the announcement of Rewar College as a People's College or a college to be supported by the government. Conrad K. Sangma and Preston Tinsong also allotted a bag of money with 33.40 lakhs through Focus Plus to 668 household and 11.36 crores to 950 SHG and 80 village organizations, and piglets with chicks were given to people for their advantage at this meeting held in Pin Ursula ground.
When we had taken over the government in 2018, we had a great challenge in terms of economic reforms that we had to do. We were one of the states with the lowest gross domestic product as GDP in the entire country. In fact, we ranked at the bottom. But it is a commitment of each and every person working in the government, the entire team, the entire machinery, in spite of COVID challenge that we face, that in the year 2021-2022, Meghalaya recorded one of the highest growths in gross domestic product compared to any other state in the country. In fact, we had a growth rate of almost 8.5% in spite of the COVID challenges we face.
St. Anthony's College Shillong organized a 2-day international conference on biodiversity and conservation. On the occasion, the Department of Zoology, Fisheries and Biodiversity Resources Development, the conference was inaugurated by Minister James P.K. Sangma as a chief guest. The organizers also quarterly invited Ayurvedic doctors from the Khasi Hills, Tanta Hills and Garo Hills to disseminate their knowledge and wisdom on treatment for ailing people in villages. The conference was initiated with a prayer by the principal of the college. Dr. Dhriti Banerjee, Director Zoological Survey of India, gave a talk from Kolkata via video conferencing, and Dr. Joram Beda, IAS, also participated in this conference amidst intellects on the chosen topics. F.A. Lamare, the convener of the conference, highlighted the aim of the conference, which is to discover ways and means to conserve the natural resources bestowed on us by nature, since it is our greatest treasure. Intellects, teachers, students, doctors and other invitees participated with keen interest by attentively soaking in the knowledge imparted by the experts.
Scientists and research scholars, students, but kinong hikai, but kibun kibrina kilang fields mo, kibede na field ban shapang ganjingtip jung shapang kimarat, kibudan hakani state jungi shakiwegi jaka jukani state but shakiwegi jaka perthiru. Tekin wan menyekran shapang ki ai kita kijat marat kibat ki kijat jingtau kibudan hakani jaka jungi but kibegi jaka rukunju patari kawe. Kabar par kalong kumni namarba pi ka jingtau baro kibudan perthai kilong kibudan kam sudah. Hakawin kom kilong ibran kampen but kumanta ka singi penda I hamne kadon kani ka workshop traditional medicine but I kini ki traditional medicines kini ki jingpang ki dawai jong ki bakini ki brio jung ki lapan kre ndai kini ki dawai ki bakila ki yo na ki jingtung lani kinjam rat ki bran ki klau ki patap per te kani conference on biodiversity and conservation ka kran shpang kumno bangi dei ban penne bani pen sa ya ki ni ki jingtung ya kini ki jingtung ber ki jingtau ki bodon haki klau ki batap.
Dispersing Rani and RTI activists of the Government of Meghalaya in development projects as per the budget set by the Government of India through the right to information informed to the media persons on the 14th December 2022 that he investigated from the state government regarding the upgrade of Shillong to smart city that the central government estimated to spend 638 crores until the purpose is served. To functionalize a smart city project, the central government granted the state government of Meghalaya 245 crores. On the other hand, the state government claimed that it managed the smart city project with almost 31% of work.
Kini ketika temium long, 1,000 molong hat, 1,000 6,000 aspa aka tuli prospa hajar lak saulak ti hasibai kami saulak pindah ken lam som hangne bila ken lam som hangne hakalai snem kami khat sau klur sau pu sau klur sau saulak kami hakalai snem tak berkebai wai kalong new pruwe lak hakalai snem jing da ken bade kan diba balas sim la de menta kami saulak hak sibenai di kani da ken lam som bade kami hadu siklur saupo saulak haga laisnem.
The Khasi Students' Union, Upper Shillong Circle and Mauprem Circle on the 14th December captured 30 supposed street vendors from Rajasthan in the capital Shillong. When asked what was their purpose to come to Shillong, they answered that they came to sell a particular book entitled Magic Book. With further questions, they informed that they have gone to different places to sell the books. When the real reason for their presence in Shillong is not clear, the KSU handed them over to the police authority to do the needful. The president of KSU Upper Shillong Circle informed that they immediately went down to Jhalupara soon as they got the news from people that certain people are residing in the region, and he expressed his disappointment on the fragile nature of the infiltration check gate present in Umling Riboy district.
Region kita di Barjela, di Balawan Pui, ini Wahishna ini di Jumi, ini nak liang kasing. Lawan ini saya ni kerja bagi alap kidon kita di Barjela ki pesyah ni apa kerja ini hanya la token lagi kiwan ni kiwan kiong ba kiwan menteri bela ni kili kok besar yang biru di kili jakasat da syai bah ke jakasat juki ke tadi tetep hai taru dia ngi dak liang kaseng dia nak dia tetep syapor jokaan ni dak pun syapor polis dan dak liang polis tu lawan ban pej ban sakihi dal jong kmat ban kalian nyukir la sim khiahi ban beli phai no ban tahi ke ni ikat bagi buat jong ka an na du ka an kilaon po infiltration kilaon ban cek kini ban pe kini ban kalian nyukir ke kila sim khiahi ban phai no ki mardo cha badi ban phai.
As a preparation for the upcoming elections 2023, the All India Trinamool Congress AITC Meghalaya Pradesh on the 14th December 2022 confirmed the office bearers of Umsning block and also to declare the name of candidate that is Gilbert Nongrum as a candidate to contest in the elections from the TMC Umsning constituency. The personalities present at this meeting includes George B. Lingdor MLA Umroy, Dr. Sarah Lindor Pang candidate from Mauti, Gilbert Nongrum candidate from Umsning, leaders of the TMC from Riboy district, Phoebian Lingdor and CL Masharing. In his speech, he strongly exclaimed that majority of the leaders astray from different political parties and joined the governing party only for their personal gains and to gain the status of minister. However, he for one astray from Congress not to join parties full of greed for power, but he turned to TMC for it is a party that keeps a check on the people's right and the welfare of everyone.
Besar, hak parti Kongres kita ru la syabeno. Dan ada art wengut ke beli parti Kongres kesaji wajar katwa. Lai iklatno weng resign kana lami pesan la syabeno. Ko yinda bar thawan na jog jilla. Parti Kongres Kamban MLA issue. Empajiri, ia kena nak jingjar arsut yang besar. Apalagi nak bun senar, petang apa keniat punan. jadul orang jing tu sistem jing sini buat uji itu. Amam syuk nong yalam jimobian. Non syuk tak jing susu. Nah kita kinong punya yang tu Delhi. Ya kejing angut. Ya jing community. Berkantam. Ya kejing perat nanti ke bangi kuat nam tak jong jelas. Kaparti kapai.
With the foresight of Father Alistair Marwin, SDB principal, towards football as one of the source of livelihood, he upgraded and expanded the Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School, Maulai, to a football academy. Tabor Langpathau, MDC, came to inaugurate the football academy on the 14th December 2022 amidst the teachers, students and the parents. He expressed his faith and hope that this academy will produce a lot of players who will bring pride in the coming years. Kleinberg Imli, who has been trained in football, will be the first instructor in this football academy. On this day, players, both girls and boys, who participated in the football tournament Reliance Cup 2022 were venerated with hope that they will excel in their fields.
Banpet nalor ke kuliah ke putih, kidan pakai kilat pak kirinti kibengila penyelam ikut mesti kijongi, harwede kami mereka. Hak cinglom kena nalor ke kuliah, sekolah baru kibadan kini bandan sakawai pak kibenta kibeng ikut mesti extra curricular activities, penyelam kena laga dia kena bentar, terus sutran pak pakai sekrat boys, kelasnya pikir bentar. Ban pelom dan ban bu ya kini football academy ban ailat ya ki kena school ki beran ya kasap bari dia ban penpau harji lekai football joki.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.